What's going on again today, my friends? I'm out here at Utah Motorsports Campus again, and today I am driving the Fr500S. This isn't any old Fr500S, however. This one has a Coyote engine swap, JRZ suspension, three-way JRZ suspension, and a full Aero kit. This car is a blast on the track. It's probably one of the funnest race cars I've ever driven, and I've driven quite a few different cars. And I know it's just a Mustang, guys, but this thing is a hoot. And it is fast. It is super fast. It put 434 horse to the rear wheels. So in NASA out here, I'm able to run TT3 or ST3 in race group as long as I have a Toyo RR tire and I weigh more than 3,508 pounds coming off track. So right now this car is classed as a TT3 ST3 car. I can run up to a 315 tire on the Toyo RR, but right now I've only got 295s because that's what I had with my 350Z. These are only 10-inch wheels, so I'm running the 295. This car has so much more time in it than what I'm putting down, but it is still just super, super fast and a lot of fun to drive. This car does absolutely everything you ask it to do, and yeah, it feels great. Last time I was out here, I ended up, I think it was the clutch master cylinder that went bad, so we just replaced that. I had the rear diff fluid put in or replaced because last year when they ran this car on the Enduro, it blew the rear end, so they put a brand new rear end in it. So I had warmed it up a little bit, broke it in, changed the fluid. So far, everything about this car feels great. My whole goal about this car this weekend is to just run today. You know, I think there's 4 sessions, shake the car down, and make sure it's everything that it should be because I'm going to be posting it for sale. It's probably going to go on Bring a Trailer, which I love Bring a Trailer. It's one of my favorite platforms. I'm on there all the time. So let's go over it. Like I said, this is an actual Fr500S Ford race car. It is a serial numbered car. Looks like it's number 17. This car was built in 2005. And like I said, it does have a Coyote swap. You got the 6-speed manual. It's got a cool suit in it. Got fire suppression, remote battery, V-box. These have the reverse lockout so you don't accidentally go into reverse going down the main straight or anything. It's got AIM digital dash, OMP seat. This car is fully tech certified for the 2023 season for NASA. We've got some canards, huge front splitter, massive 2-plane wing. This car has Kenny Brown suspension components underneath it everywhere, and I'll try and get it up on the lift and show you. It's also got, like I mentioned, the 3-way JRZ Pro suspension. This car has been raced in the past, so it does have a little bit of rubbing that happened right here. This rear deck is like a polycarbonate. It's got polycarbonate windows all the way around. You've got, I believe it's a carbon fiber hood. So this car only weighs about 3,300 pounds without a driver or fuel. So it's pretty light for a Mustang. Let's take a look at the motor. Like I mentioned, this engine has been Coyote swapped. This motor has about maybe a little bit over 20 hours on it. Those are the JRZ reservoirs to be able to make adjustments for compression. You've got 2 compression adjustments. On the top of the shock tower, you've got your rebound adjustment. So there she is. I'll include some footage on the track. I hope you guys like the car.